Hallelujah, Jesus. Cut and clear all demons, Jesus. In kind of ritty, Jesus. Drop on him head when him younger, Jesus. Cut and clear all demons, Jesus. Heal him, Jesus. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, Jesus. Hallelujah, Jesus.
Hey, did you study last night? No. What'd you get? 97? How long did you study last night? 8 hours. What'd you get? 42.
Hey, Dad, I'm home.
Hey, sweetie, how was school?
I think I'm in love.
What's his name?
David.
And he goes through school?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait, where are you going?
Daddy's just gonna go for a quick little walk, sweetie.
Yo, the internet not working. Plug it out and plug it back in. See if Yeah, I just don't want to cut off. I mean, I try to use it for Netflix. In paying bill or what? Wait, I don't know if I'm paying bill, man. Ask the man, no, man. No, so me and the man are bedroom. He don't know say we are TV internet. I'm telling man. So me cannot tell the man, man, you the good on work over film you have to, you know. We need to work together to get this back up and running, you know, man. No, tell him say we are TV internet, man. What do you? So now him that I look out the door. You know me there now? Pay bill, yeah? Yeah, dog. Just fix things, brother. Watch out. Until they say internet now work over there either. Oh, you know that? You see him on a buffer.
You were saying a while ago, Minister Tufton, that you really, appreciate the work that Market Me does and did. I think the question that Edmund wanted to ask was maybe not answered thoroughly. So I would just want to ask it more directly. Did you cheat on your wife with any of the prince?
No, Minister.
Hold on, no, let me answer.
Minister.
Let me respond. First of all, that's none of your business. And I would prefer you stick to questions around the operations of the ministry. And just as I leave you to your private life, I'd like you to allow me mine. Thank you very much.
Alright, so the information so the boy ever passes, so we're gonna lay with him, yes, sir.
Alright, so the boy name again?
The boy name, Check Boss.
Hold on, the IG comedian?
Him same one.
He saw him before violate.
The boy go sleep with the boss wife, man.
Him going night?
Him going night, man. Him going night.
Daddy. Alright, so sleep with Candy. Can I get a wow?
Brother, we are do you?
But does it make sure me have all the information?
Brother, evidence that for police you. Don't write none. Yeah, forget that. Listen. Yeah, so when we see him, you go run out there and take the gun and go put 2 in them head and make sure I'm dead.
Whoa. Now I'm go straight into killing. But think that I'm easy into it like pump and look out duty.
Brother, and you come to me and say you want a job in the organization in the youth. This is a part of the job.
Yeah, but I think we never put like account department or for snacks money.
Brother, we are bad man, we not a snacks department, brother.
Yeah, but bad man I get hungry too.
Oh God.
God knows how long we go out here, so. And you can't kill man for low blood sugar. Your aim go off.
Brother.
No, look.
Alright, watch you know you get on my nerves now, so watch ya. Look how me look good. You never pay me no mind. All I do is depend game this game that. Yo, the man them who wear a job and them thing there. So it's either me or the game. Choose now. And please hurry up and talk. I know you don't want to lose me.
And then she said, it's either me or the game. She don't see us? You see me? Yeah. Yes, I see you. You see me? Hell yeah, I see you. Both of us sitting here looking like 2 big Barneys. We see each other.
This nigga had one job. One!
Let me tell you now a little story. The girl is a yammed. The girl is a full-blown yammed. One girl asked me, how do I know when I'm a yammed? I sure no only know when I'm being yammified. Your man called her for a morning? No. Him text her for a morning? Him post her this morning? Him post boy this morning? No. Who sent the last text? You or him? Me. Oh. But the man line though. Yeah, man line. Alright, Mrs. Yam. Oh mama, you're fully yam out. No, you're fully yam out. No, you're a full grown yam farm. So let me ask this now. Are you a yamid?
Next person question. Yes, I'd like a big deal, please. Yes, that would be $1,000. $1,000? Hey, man, tell us the cash what's up? Damn, you see my fake? Yep, everything good? 1 second. One second. Okay. Sir, we're out of chicken.
Mr. Chin, me dead for hungry and no food.
Wayne! How comes you're hungry? Your girlfriend is a main menu. I'll be right back.
Come, breakfast time. Come eat up on the breakfast, you see me? We day have the good food now. You mean, come my beautiful animals. Hold on there. Lagan, Shizzle. Where's Juk Girl? Where's Juk Girl? Juk Girl! Where's my dog? Mr. Chin, this tastes good. When I like, put your foot tonight. Oh, not 1 foot, 4. 4 foot.
Yo, next in line, forward up, no please.
Yeah, man, me next. I want.
Yo, relax, the bad man.
Yeah, where am I? Can get a barbecue zing. Is that right there?
Where?
Yeah, man, is that right? Oh, I can get a barbecue zing with 2 extra large fries and a big deal. With a large soda.
That's all you want, my boss?
Yeah, that's all I want. If you want to put something else with it, it's alright.
Don't say a word, man. I add on something.
Hey, respect my boss. By the way, I what KFR stand for? First man sit down.
Oh, Kingston Fry Rat, my boss. Next.
Yeah, man, let me get piece of rat now, my boss.
I'm gonna fucking do it.
Aye, 20% off for pretty girls only. And these are tax-free with warranty. Taste good expectation, if not, refund on your money back. I do have singles for jingles, but I know you have a husband, so I got couples. You see me? I got cashew, walnut, sesame seed, pumpkin seed, flax seed, and if you want like a sex seed. And I take debit card, credit card, phone card if you don't have any cash.
Lord Jesus!
I got cane soft and tender, honey nut sugar, bumpless. I have apple, berry, sweet like cherry. Taste with expectation. Refund on your money back.
No, my head hurt me.
I remember I'm just land with fruits and nuts in my hand. And I also have a new plan with some cookie. You get me?
No, man, I use a business.
Definitely.
Because yourself.
Hi, Jamaica. Stop boss boy your wife. Ever hear man a boss say them a husband yet? And look how you made, you know.
Them man in a member me, dog. I mean the man with the cats in fear, dog. Man, damn. Yeah, we man in the fan. There's some fear now. This is a little foo-foo, you know? Foo-foo, Africa you come from? Yeah. There's some fear to you know. You have something for me? Yeah, man, you have some fear to me because... Just... Oh, man, I got a yard, dog. 911, what's your emergency? 911, yeah. We can't do. Sir, I will need to calm down. Please, we're tracking your location as we speak. What's happening? Sir, please tell us what's happening. The dispatch units are on their way. We cannot breathe. Turn off. That. So that really cover, brother? It does, but S extra.
Can I have a 3-piece meal? Can you make it 3 legs, please?
3 legs? We don't have enough leg to give one customer 3 legs.
Yeah, but there's a lot of legs behind you in the
Sir, stop! Watch that! Do not look at the chicken on the shelf. We don't have enough legs to give one customer 3 legs.
Can I have 2 legs?
Okay.
And a tie?
And a tie? No, that's not going to work, sir. Either 2 legs or 1 tie.
Can I have 3 wings?
3 wings! How much one to the man? How much wings grew up on a chicken? How much wings grew up on?
Yeah, but I want.
Mister, how much wings grew up on a chicken? How much? Why you want more? 3 wings? 3 1 wing? 1.5 wings, sir. As a matter of fact, we run out of chicken. We don't have no more chicken. Good man. Good night. Have a Introducing live. My new artist. Me ask him where him come from and him not answer. Straight from home, me don't know where him come from.
You see, when this happen, this is when the world start to go downhill. Like, whoever did this, I don't like you. Like, we can please go back to this? Please? You could have drink out of this like 3 times and still have like a shake left in the can. I don't know how I go on now. Like, who tell them say skinny is better? This is where the love sees. You know, the other flavors, I don't know them. This is the supreme. This is all I need right here. Creamy malt? Creamy malt? Yeah. You see this one? You see when you go to school and tell people say you drink Ovaltine, people feel say you have money. Yup. But Milo on the other hand, Milo is for the people. I've never met somebody who don't like Milo. And if you don't like Milo, you're sketchy. You're weird. You see this one bring back memories in a like teardrop. If you don't have a swizzle in your lunch kit, but as nice as swizzle was, the light is where it was at.
Hey, what did y'all get for number 1?
I got 18.
9.5 getting sir. Abraham Lincoln getting them. Me not reach number 1 yet. Me stuck on my name.
For the last goddamn time, me sick and tired. I don't know, man.
Baby, you're just like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
So what that mean?
Attractive, brilliant, cute and dazzling. Elegant, funny, gorgeous and hot.
So warm to IJK.
I'm just kidding. Never answer your mother with that attitude. Angel! How would that dirty stinking green arm boy they think him out? Come here to me! Just a moment.
Yo, what go on? You brother, that you know me there fake bad man. You good?
First flower, what you get?
Let me get, you know, so I get 2 mango cause I'm kind of hungry. What you mean, they hungry, brother?
What are we supposed to do with that?
Wait, where you get?
I took money and jewelry.
What, man, I can't eat money, brother. How yes, man?
So what else did you get?
Oh, you know, so I get some roll on because I'm the kind of green. So
what do we need that for?
Because I did green.
What are we going to do with that?
Why are we this man, brother? I'm not eating no money, bad man. Yeah?
what her favorite dancehall artist says about her. Let's go. If Massacre artist, she love Badman. More than Badman, she love Young Boy. Anyway, I'm older than her, she don't want him. If you can't diss her, she don't want you. Ooh, if Spice her artist, she straightforward bad. If she not like something, she'll tell you straight. Disrespect her, she box in her face. She loyal bad. If you cheat on her, she'll burn down your house. Vibes cartel her artist, and me a girl you can't tame. Them girl who in a faithful relationship have 10 man a road. All her man them have a different woman name in her phone. If you're broke, don't look at her. Here off do, bottom off do. Dexter Daps her artist. I can use my youth on a year girl at a Dexter girl that. She just want her whoo and the pum pum gone.
So Tevin, question. So I saw you were foot. Yeah. Put your pants. Oh. No. So I said you put on your pants. Yeah. Why? They're ratchet. That one, yes. I went to. I could have read. No, because me and me was such a. The struggle is real, my son. The struggle is really real.
Thanks for calling Digicel. This is JD. How can I assist?
Hello, Digicel?
Yes, this is Digicel's customer service. How can I be of assistance?
Yes, this is Anika, but my friend them call me Nika.
Hello, Anika. How are you doing today?
I'm alright.
Okay, great. How can I help?
Tell me something. Oh, my private, please call me.
Could you repeat that?
Oh, my private, please call me.
That's not possible.
Why?
This is not a service that we offer.
But my friend tell me I should do it with you. Hello? I hang him hang up. Hello?